Hey Saint, this is episode 1 of How to Be Happier in Christ. I've got my tea. Oh, that's good, and it is not Earl Grey. Let's do this. Today's topic is take simple action, and I give you 3 simple actions that can make a big difference. Action 1, smile. No, really, it can make a huge difference. Just try being unhappy while you're smiling really big. The best I've heard on this is Andy Andrews. Check out his video on this in the card above. Action 2, laugh. You can laugh whenever you want to. It's a gift from God. As you know, Proverbs says, a merry heart does good like medicine. When I was a kid, I read the book Anatomy of an Illness by Norman Cousins. In that book, he uses laughter to overcome a debilitating disease. It made such an impact on me, I have never forgot it. Take 1 minute and just laugh. Action 3, pray in tongues. If you don't already have this gift, ask someone who does, they'll pray for you and you'll get it. This is something the enemy has tried to make controversial, but it's not. The Apostle Paul said, I pray in tongues more than all of you. My own journey with speaking in tongues was pretty interesting. I was raised in a wonderful Southern Baptist church. At one point, I was between small groups, so I went to an Assembly of God small group. They prayed for me. I spoke in tongues. That didn't really fit with my Southern Baptist culture, so I just buried that gift for a while. Years later, I was at a Vineyard conference, and I was telling this story while we were eating lunch. So Rich, the local worship leader, he was eating some barbecue. I told him this story. He said, how many words do you have? I said, I have 3. And he said, and those words are, and he said those 3 words. For real, he said them. Blew me away. Then he's eating barbecue and he says, Lord, give him more words in his language. Well, that was all it took. That night I was singing in tongues in the shower, and it has been a blessing to me ever since. Episode 2 is Change Your Brain. You don't want to miss it, so make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon. That's a wrap, and I'll see you next time.